Hi again, this is Ridwan from EngVibes. So imagine you're having a walk on a rocky mountain. Suddenly, you step on a rock and you fall down. You go back home covered in your blood. Your family and friends ask you what happened. In this situation, what would you say? Any idea? If no, then watch the following clip. It's for you.
You recognize me? You tripped over a rock, you cracked your own head.
She tripped over a rock and hit her head.
You got it? I tripped over a rock. I tripped over a rock. Well, hopefully no one trips over a rock. Now imagine you enter your room and there's some water on the floor. And again you fall down because of that wet floor. How would you report that?
Slipped on a wet floor, I'm told.
That my client slipped on a wet floor.
So it's I slipped on a wet floor. I slipped on a wet floor. Now imagine 2 days after that incident, you take the bike and you enjoy riding it. However, you lose your balance and you fall down. How would you report that again to your family?
The delivery boy fell off his bike.
He fell off his bike and broke his arm.
I fell off my bike.
So just say I fell off my bike. I fell off my bike. Off with double F, okay? Off, it's not off. Alright, next situation. You're going downstairs and you fall down.
What?
Fell downstairs a week ago.
Say he fell downstairs.
Bobby fell downstairs.
So it's I fell downstairs. I fell downstairs. Now imagine you hit your head on something. What would you say in this situation?
And I banged my head.
Well, this morning when I banged my head into your jaw.
I banged my head in the mirror in my bathroom.
Well, so it's I banged my head into something. I banged my head into something. And now we come to the most interesting part, where you start dancing, singing. It's when you hit that small toe on a wall or stair or the foot of the table. Watch the following clip.
I stubbed my toe on the cab when I kicked the door.
I stubbed my toe on the boardwalk.
So it's I stabbed my toe on something. I stabbed my toe on something. And the last one would be when you put your foot on somebody's foot, accidentally or intentionally.
Oh my God!
What would you say?
You stepped on my foot!
You stepped on my foot.
And there you are. Just say I stepped on his foot. I stepped on his foot. And that's it for today. Before we end, please be safe. Keep safe. Take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends, comment, and subscribe if you are new. If you have any questions or concern, leave them in the comment section below and we will get back to you very soon. Till the next time, keep learning, keep vibing with EngVibes. Take good care of yourselves. See you the next time. Bye bye.